Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this YG 360 lace frontal wig. The hair is in the length 22 inches and that's what the packaging looks like. It comes with a cute little bag like so, and that's what the hair looks like. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with 2 clips, and it comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair, and it also comes with an elastic band, in case you want to attach one to the wig and you don't want to use any glue or gel. And it also has an elastic strap inside it as well. So that's what the hairline looks like. The hair has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap just in case you want to use that to secure the wig without using glue or gel. So I went ahead and show you guys how I install the hair. I used the bold hold, no, not bold hold, it's the, what's it called again? Oh my days, come on, what's your name? I can't remember what it's called, but I'll just leave the name down below. I applied about 3 layers of that. Then I laid the hair exactly on the areas where I applied the glue. It's ghost bond glue, yeah it is. So I placed the hair on the areas where I applied the glue and I combed it all back. Then I blow dried it just to make sure the hair is laid down flat and nice. And after that, I'm happy with that. I took off the clips, then I applied my scarf just to secure the hair and just to be sure it's nice and flat. Yeah, that's all I did. And when I'm quite happy with that, I combed the hair, I brushed the hair thoroughly, and I did a rough bun. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't actually. So I did a rough bun, and when I'm satisfied with that, I cut off the excess lace from the wig, which I showed you guys how I did that. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I cut off the excess lace, and yeah, that's all I did basically. And I showed you guys how I would style the hair, but bear in mind that you can style the hair anyhow you like, because it's a 360 lace frontal wig. It has enough room for you to pat the hair anywhere you like, and it also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. But the most amazing thing about this hair is the fact that everything has been done straight from the box for you guys. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. The hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, and the hair also comes with an elastic band as well in case you don't want to use glue or gel. The hair is actually glueless, so it's left to you if you really want to use glue or gel on it, or you just want to attach the elastic band on it. Whichever you go for, that's absolutely fine. I actually decided to go for baby hair for some reason. I don't know why, but that was what I ended up with. You guys know I'm not pro when it comes to baby hair, but I did this mini tiny little baby hair, and yeah, that's what the hair looks like with baby hair. So as I mentioned earlier, you can pat the hair anywhere you like. As you can tell, the hair is you can pat the hair anyhow. I don't know what I was saying. I don't know, maybe because I'm not feeling very well. Anyway, that's what the hair looks like. Guys, the curls are popping straight from the box. Look at that. Look at that. You don't need to coil it. You don't need to tongue it. You don't need to do anything. You can wear this wig even with the curls that came straight from the box. So look at that, guys. Look at that. I am loving it. Like, seriously. But you know me, I'm lenient. I like curling every hair that I hold. But because I'm a huge fan of curly hair, so I decided to throw in some curls, not something serious, but yeah, I curled the hair. I showed you guys how I would curl the hair with a curler. I'll just add music to it because I think I'm just blabbing, and so I'll add music to it. And yeah, just stay tuned to watch my review, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this YG wigs right here. The hair is a loose wave 360 lace frontal wig and it's in the length 22. I showed you guys how I style this hair in the video, and remember, you can style the hair anyhow you like and you can pack the hair anyhow you like. I'm gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts with you guys. The first thing that I noticed about the hair is the curls, guys. The curls are popping like straight from the box. You don't have to do anything. The curls of the hair, the curls that came with the hair straight from the box was really good. That you don't really need to curl this hair, guys. I mean it, you don't need to curl this hair. The hair was like popping like straight from the box. So another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you're the type that like baby hair, then this hair is definitely for you, because it's a 360 lace frontal wig. It has baby hair around the perimeters, back and front. I'm quite a fan of that as well, even though I don't really wear baby hair all the time. But another thing that I noticed about the hair that I really like is the fact that the quality of the hair is really good, guys. I can emphasize on how much I like the quality of this hair. The hair is so soft. It's very silky to touch. There is no tangling, no shedding whatsoever, any problem with the hair at all whatsoever. Another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the hair is voluminous. Like, guys, the hair is really full. You know, I'm getting that Nicole kind of vibe from this hair, like, you know, Nicole Scherzinger, because her hair is always very dark and voluminous. This is exactly the way I feel about this hair. I felt like I'm wearing Nicole's hair, like, you know, I'm getting that Nicole vibes from this hair, which I really like a lot. I always like Nicole's hair because her hair is always very full, dark and looking healthy. Then the same way I'm feeling about this hair right now. So another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. So you don't have to worry about that at all. Everything has been done for you straight from the box. So all you need to do is just cut the lace and wear the wig, really. It's as simple as that. And this is what the hairline looks like. As you can tell, it's so natural. I really like how the hair was plucked. I don't know if you guys can see that. It felt really natural, that you can see. Look at that. I really like that about the hair. And also, if you like, you can decide to put, you know, your foundation or concealer on the part, but it's not actually necessary, but I'm just used to it. That's the hairline. Look at that. Look at that. So you don't need to put your concealer or foundation or anything on the part at all, because the lace was really transparent. The hair is also true to length. As you can tell, the hair is 22 inches, but if I, you know, pull it down, it's almost to my belly button. So in terms of length, it's also true to length. So another thing I really like about the vendor is the fact that their shipping is always very quick. This is my third time working with them. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.